There's a growing shift in kitchens towards no seed oils. These are oils made from fruits, nuts, and other plants, instead of seeds like canola or soybean. They're valued for their natural flavor, nutrients, and versatility. Because they're less processed, they keep more of their natural flavor, nutrients, and healthy fats. Let's take a closer look at 3 of the most popular no-seed oils and how to use them in your kitchen. Coconut oil is a popular choice. Its slightly sweet flavor is distinct and works for both cooking and baking. Go with refined coconut oil for medium heat jobs like sauteing, browning, or pan frying. Avocado oil is extracted from the fruit. It's rich in healthy fats and has a smooth, buttery flavor. Refined versions handle high heat beautifully. Use it for sauces, marinades, or searing proteins. Olive oil is a classic, and it's known for its bold, fruity flavor and all-around use. Extra virgin olive oil is great in dressings and drizzles, while regular olive oil is great for roasting or light sauteing. Each oil brings its own character. Experiment, taste, and find what fits your kitchen best. For more in-depth details on alternatives to seed oils, check out our blog.